In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get maximum scroll in Jujutsu Infinite, and there are a few reliable methods you can use. The first and main method is opening chests, since chests are the primary source for rare items like maximum scrolls and domain shards, although the drop rates are very low. To improve your chances, you should focus on progressing in the game and increasing your greed by completing high-level boss raids and investigation missions, as these unlock better rewards. A helpful tip is to save your chest and use luck boosting items such as lotuses and lucky cats before opening them, because they significantly increase your chances of getting rare drops. Another method is using the cursed market, where maximum scrolls and domain shards can sometimes appear in the shop, but they require rare resources to trade, such as multiple purified cursed hands for a single scroll, and you may need to refresh the market several times. Trading with other players is also an option, though these items are extremely rare and expensive, so finding a willing trader can be difficult. Finally, you can explore the world and look for random ground loot, but the chances of finding a maximum scroll this way are extremely slim. If you want a small advantage, you can purchase the item notifier game pass, which alerts you when loot spawns in the world, making the search slightly easier. And that's how you can get the maximum scroll in Jujutsu Infinite. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.